Hello, here is Group. We are a multinational corporation specializing in the catering and hospitality industry with over 50 years experience. For all your restaurant needs, in our channel, many solutions for you. Follow us now.
La première chose à faire est de chauffer suffisamment la poêle en fonte pour saisir le steak. Commencez par un feu doux et faites chauffer progressivement à feu moyen pendant environ 3 minutes. Puis ajoutez le steak et montez le feu. Le but d'un feu élevé est de permettre aux protéines à la surface de la viande de coaguler rapidement sous la chaleur pour sceller les jus. Ne retournez pas toujours la viande lorsque vous la mettez dans la poêle à griller. Vous pouvez griller un côté à la fois jusqu'au niveau souhaité. Puis le retourner. Ou 2 fois si vous voulez faire des marques de brûlure croisées. Another high temperature refer to the plate that holds the steak. Students who often eat steak outside know that the steak plate just served on the table is very hot. This roll is certainly not to let the steak cool off. There is a process of eating steak. Cold meat is certainly not good. NO4. Let it stand for a few minutes. The steak is not served immediately. But HAS a rest for a while to allow the steak to rest for a while and let the juice return evenly to all corners of the meat. Which is when the steak tastes best. Some practices are to properly reserve time when frying the steak. Turn off the heat and let the steak continue in the hot pan to the desired degree of doneness. Or to serve the steak on a boiling hot plate covered with tinfoil to rest. Either way, it is crucial to avoid letting the steak cool during this process. NO5. Sauce. After the steak is fried, you still need to thicken the gravy to go with the steak. The easiest way to do this is to turn the heat back on. Squirt some red wine into the rest of the gravy. Use a spatula to shovel all the various little garnishes from the pan down together as it cooks. Bring to a boil. Remove from the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. Stir until it thickens and is ready to drizzle over the fried steak. NO6. Fire. Unless you're really mentally challenged, try to try the 3-6 minute steak. According to professional chef, they will give the not so great meat to you want well done because they can't taste the difference anyway. You may already be familiar with the words you said when ordering steak. Rare. Very rare. Extremely rare. Fry steak for no more than 3 minutes. Rare. Raw. No more than 4 minutes. Medium rare. Medium rare. Medium rare. 6 to 8 minutes. Medium. Slightly cooked. 5 to 6 minutes. Time needed 8 to 10 minutes. Medium well. Medium rare. Takes 10 to 12 minutes. Well done. Fully cooked. Takes about 12 to 15 minutes. In addition, many chefs use their fingers to test whether the steak is well grilled or not. They do not use the thermometer. You can also learn the method, the 2 recipes to make the perfect steak. Perfectly fried steak. Ingrédients. Ribeye steak un serving. Salt a little. Freshly ground black pepper depends on personal taste. Extra virgin olive oil 2 cuillères à soupe. Butter 3 cuillères à soupe. Peeled garlic 2 cloves. Fresh parsley adequate amount. Optional. Red wine as well as side dishes. Chicken, beef, veal, etc. Brush a layer of butter on the plate and garnish with a delicious sauce. Baked potatoes. Method of preparation. 1. Sprinkle pepper and sea salt on one side of the ribeye steak. Good beef doesn't need extra sauce to marinate. Pepper and sea salt. Enough.
If you are interested in our videos, remember to follow us. Group, more than 4,500 restaurant choice. We will keep surprising you. See you.